What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with an exciting theme for Mi Band 3 named VLT. As unique its name as its look, it got some funky watch faces which you might have not seen in a while. Let's check out this theme in depth. Also, if you are liking what you are watching, then smash the subscribe button. To install this theme, simply flash the firmware and the resource files. Download links are in the description down below. If you want to know how to flash the firmware file and the resource file in your Mi Band 3, check out this video popping up right now. Coming to the theme, it got 3 watch faces. All these watch faces is new and unique. Third one might be difficult to read at first, but you will get used to. Second watch face include a step counter goal which is displayed in the form of level. Press and hold animation has the running dinosaur found in the Chrome browser, which is also seen first time for any Mi Band 3 firmware. Other icon is very basic and not much to tell about. Factory reset and about icon has a Black Panther and Thanos gauntlet from Avengers theme respectively. Heart rate monitor has an equalizer and play and pause button has a toggle button similar to what's seen in the MIUI toggle button. Also, this firmware has the latest version and does not have any battery drain or any other issues. It is the watch faces which makes this theme different from others. If you're bored with all the PUBG and Avengers theme and want something new and funkier, then this is the firmware you must give it a try. That's it for this video. Do let me know what you think about this theme. We will be back with another theme video. Till then, thanks for watching and I will catch you guys in the next one.